moving forward, I will be explaining you how to customize a process based, as I already explained you this hierarchy that we are following in our organization. So I will be explaining you how to set up this hierarchy in that custom process that we have created, the dev process. Okay, so let's move here. For that, you just need to go to home page of your organization, then click organization setting button. I will be moving to process section. Okay, in this process section, let's move to dev process, which we want to customize. So as you can see, there is already if I go here, there is already epic, the work item is present. Issue we don't want in our organization, so we can leave that. Task, we can customize our own task, user task, we can also disable that. So the ones we don't want to use, for example issue, we don't want to use it, we can disable it. Click on this button and you can see this enable and disable option here. We will also disable that task option, disable. And now we can create based on a requirement. We need a user story, we need a user task and a bug. Okay, so let's create a new work item type. First, user story. Let's give this book icon. You can set the icons also and icon color also from here. Whenever you are creating a new work item type, you can also edit this later on. Select a story, let's give it a green color, and this book icon story, because it is a user story. Create. As you will create, it is created, and this is the default you can say layout of the user story. We will be configuring this later, I will explain you this also. Let's keep it default right now so that you won't be confused. Right now we are creating only work item types. Let's go back to our dev process. Here you can see a new work item user story is added. Okay, now we want to store under work item user task. Okay, this, I think this is fine for user task, and the color is also fine. Let's create, this is the default layout for user task. Let's go back to states. No, I will explain you states later. User task, one more we need to create, that is, we have created user story, we already have epic, we have created user task, we need to create bug. Okay, let's create one more bug. So there must be a icon for bug, bug. This one you can see. Let's use red color for bug. Create. This is the default layout. Let's go back. You can see bug, epic. These two are disabled because we are not using. These are created by default. These are inherited from basic process actually. And then user story, user task, all of them are available. Okay, let me cross check. Yes, all of them are available. Okay, now you have created all the work item types that you are using in this process. You can create any work item type based on your process, based on the process that your organization or company is following. Okay,